of our family, the freshers, seniors, a very good evening to all of you. Myself, Waqar Ahmed Khan, and on the behalf of Educational Advisor team, I want all the freshers to know this, that you guys were wholeheartedly welcome the very first moment you entered into this university. Welcome to all of you in this world of doctors. I would like to start my presentation with the introduction of Educational Advisor Company. That Educational Advisor Company is serving in the field of education since 2005. And it is the only education company in Bishkek who is supporting students in every way. And the main purpose of our company is to connect many people all around the world. In other words, Educational Advisor Company is providing a separate home to the students from all over the world. So now I would like to introduce the President of Educational Advisor Company, the man who did lot in the field of medicine. And I think it is due to his efforts that now Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan is top trend in Pakistan, India, and in many other countries. Only single Pakistani in Kyrgyzstan who is awarded by HSC due to his great achievement in the field of education, and only single Pakistani in Bishkek who is awarded from many universities. We have International School of Medicine, Kyrgyz State of Medical Academy. So now I would like to say some word in my own language for our dear President. पाकिस्तान की बिश्केक में शान है आप, पाकिस्तान की बिश्केक में आन है आप, पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी की पहचान है आप, हम सबके इमरान भाईजान हैं आप. Now, someone said that team works divide the task but multiply the success. Here we have our team. If you will see, first of all, we have director of our team, Mr. Sajjad Ahmed, who is the most active person in our company and the man who is most trustable. And next we have Mr. Sayyid Ali Shahzeb, who is, I think, the backbone of Educational Advisor Company. And next we have brother of Sir Imran Aziz sir, Haider Mustafa, who is the most caring person we ever see in our company for the students. Next we have accounts manager Mr. Usman Ali. I think he is the most talented person in our company and the most hard-working person, Mr. Usman Ali.
Clap भी नहीं किया तुमने तो.
Next we have academic affair heads, which include Dr. Islam Muhammad, Dr. Nakash, and Mr. Hamid Ali, Miss Umman, and here myself, Waqar Ahmed Khan. And next we have Dr. Deepak. He is from India and he is representing our company in India. Next we have a hostel management team. We are working in a very proper way. First of all, we have Mr. Ajmal Ved, Mr. Sajid Bhatt, Mr. Sajid Ali, Mr. Hanan, Mr. Yasir Ali, Mr. Khalid, Mr. Afaq Ahmed. We also have a medical consultant advisor who is helping the student at every time in the day or in the night also, Dr. Mudassar Javed. Next, I want